Our last.
There they are. Everybody get their banking done?
Davey, they're nuts.
You told us he was a skilled wheelman.
No, I'm a wheelman. Family name on my mother's side. Irish.
Is that Princess Peach? Yeah. Now she does punches with her feet.
We're going to watch the Kung Fu Panda 4. I think it's gonna be a very nice movie for kids. So watch kayo dyan sa Pilipinas if you can.
Disneyland Resort, and there's no better time than now.
Meron na nga siyang popcorn. Kukuha pa dyan sa popcorn ko. Ikaw talaga, Cameron, ha? Ew. Ang daya. Dumadami na yung mga dumarating na mga bata. Halos mga bata yung nandito.
Good morning.
Yan.
Will you please just relax? I am relaxed! Okay. I'm sure Poe is fine. What if he's sick? What if he's hurt? What if he's hungry? Don't get your noodles in a twist. If I know...
Ready for our next step.
What is that you're holding?
The staff of wisdom. A chewed up peach pit?
Find my loneliness. It's okay. Still believe. Tapos na yung Kung Fu Panda. Very nice. Very nice movie, guys.
Wait, there's an ending!
There's an ending. Woo! Na-enjoy ako. Hindi ako nakatulog. Ganda-ganda. Panoorin nyo pag I'm sure nasa Pilipinas yan. Ulan. It's raining outside this morning. Kaya medyo malamig. Kaya nakaganito kami. Ayan. Very simple. Simple attire today. So after the movie, we're gonna have our lunch. Basa pa, basa. Basa yung yung floor. So, nandito kami sa Century City. Yeah. So, it's Saturday, kaya nag-relax kami. Nanood ng movie. Tapos mag-lunch na. So, dito yung food court nila. Very, very spacious or huge food court. Ayan. Masses. Baby, let's find tables. Okay? Let's find table. Ayan, si Pon. Siya, Japanese. Finally, nakahanap na kami ng ng table namin. Na sobrang daming tao. Kasi ang sasarap ng food nila dito. Okay. So, big boys.
I like it. I think it's one of my favorite movies.
So, bumibili na ng ng food si Daddy Francis for us.
Thank you for watching.